Hello, and welcome to Soft English Studio.
Thanks for joining us for another English conversation practice.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan.
Today we're talking about staying after class to ask for help.
So get comfortable and enjoy listening with us.
Let's start. Ryan, are you leaving now?
Not yet. I'm going to stay for a few minutes.
Me too. I want to ask the teacher something.
Is it about today's homework?
Yeah, one part was confusing.
I know which part you mean.
Really?
Yes, I wasn't sure about it either.
I'm glad I'm not the only one.
Do you want to ask together?
That would be helpful.
The teacher usually explains things very well.
That's true. I always understand more after asking questions.
Asking questions is a good habit.
Sometimes I feel shy.
I used to feel that way too.
Really?
Yeah, but now I think it's better to ask than stay confused.
That's a good point.
Besides, the teacher is always kind.
You're right.
Do you have any plans after this?
Just some studying and maybe a short walk.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you?
I'll probably stop by a coffee shop before going home.
Nice. A coffee sounds good today.
Oh, I think the teacher is free now.
Perfect. Let's go ask her a question.
Good idea.
That felt like a very natural conversation.
Yeah, it's a situation many students experience.
Let's review some useful words and expressions.
One word was confusing.
Confusing means difficult to understand.
For example, the instructions were confusing.
That question was confusing for me.
Another useful word was either.
In our conversation, I wasn't sure and you weren't sure either.
We often use either when talking about two similar situations.
For example, I don't like spicy food.
I don't like it either.
We also use the word helpful.
Helpful means something gives help or makes things easier.
For example, your advice was helpful.
Or the teacher gave a helpful explanation.
Another good word was shy.
Shy means you feel nervous when speaking to people.
Sometimes students feel shy about asking questions.
But many people feel that way from time to time.
One more useful phrase was good point.
We say good point when someone says something smart or important.
For example, that's a good point. I didn't think about that.
It's a very common phrase in everyday English.
Today we talked about staying after class and asking for help.
We also talked about questions, studying, and feeling shy sometimes.
Small conversations like this can teach a lot of practical English.
And they can help you feel more comfortable in real situations.
Thanks for practicing English with us today.
We hope you enjoyed spending a few minutes with us.
Keep listening, keep learning, and keep growing your confidence.
We'll be back soon with another conversation at Soft English Studio.
Take care until next time.
Bye for now.